Hi everyone, Craig from Flying Wheels in Danville, New Hampshire. Today I'm in a 2013 Toyota Prius C. We did an oil change and we are going to reset the maintenance required light. Every video I have watched had the push to start right here. This is the key to start, not the push to start. So it is completely different than everything that I could have found on the internet. The first thing we're going to do is put the key in, turn the key to position 2. 1, 2. We're not going to start the car. You'll see everything turn on. From here, you'll see maintenance required, and up here is your ODO for odometer. If we hit trip, that's going to change it from odometer to trip A to trip B, back to odometer. We want it on odometer. Every video I saw said leave it on trip A. We want it on odometer. First of all, if this video is helpful, please do me a favor and give me a thumbs up and a subscribe. If you give me a thumbs up, other people get to watch this video too. It makes it a little bit more accessible for other people. So let's start. We are on 62,000 miles or ODO thanks to the trip button. We are on position 2. We are going to take the key out, turn the key on. As soon as the screen turns black, we're going to hit the trip 1, 2, and hold it on the third time. Here we go. I'm trying to do it while holding a camera, but 1, 2, 1, 2, hold. You'll see it's resetting 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, resetting maintenance data. That is how you reset the maintenance required light on a Toyota Prius. If this video was helpful, do me a favor, give me a thumbs up. Thanks everybody. Don't forget to subscribe for more car stuff. See you later.